Okay, Roundup family, we're here at a box. ARV 275. I got my boy Terrace here. Terrace, go ahead, man. You from up here. What do you think?
I just said, you know, being those entry level. See, that's
250,000 Roundup family. For a box.
You know the foundation is solid.
But you're saying it's worth it. You're seeing the value here.
Fix it up. I mean, other people will too once they see what they're getting. Because I mean, when you look at,
you said access. You're talking about access, which is what intrigued me.
like when you think about, can you find a house for 125? That's rehab and new. More than likely, no. Not necessarily.
It's unbelievable. Look at this, man.
Real entry level. And then when you start looking at all your options, you're gonna look at what appeals. You know what I mean? So I'm getting this one, I'm getting this one. And that be your deciding factor if you're gonna pay for it.
I wouldn't even be here, man. You're right. You got a basement. You're right. They got basements here around that family. Let's take a look. $275,000 for a box. Oh my goodness.
This is what money looks like.
What'd you say?
This is what money looks like.
The realtor. Just these numbers, man, they're unbelievable. I just want y'all to see what looks like the ARV on this. Just a little bit. So Roundup, it looks like this is what you're gonna get for $300,000 in the DC metro area. I am just amazed. Outside, look at these stairs. When you want to move in? Oh man, nice countertop. That's just completely destroyed. Destroyed. Giving you a tour. Let me finish looking at this house so you can see it. What is that? Coffee, right? On me? Only blue.
You understand? This is the linen closet.
Oh. So you got what 300,000 looks like. You're getting what 300,000 looks like in the DMV area. This house here, like in my town, sell for 50 maybe. I mean, we buy it for 50. Maybe ARV would be 150, 160 maybe. Talking about 300,000. Look at this neighborhood. This is what a $300,000 neighborhood looks like. I just cannot believe it, Roundup. I'm just amazed. You know, we were down in North Carolina a few months back. Wow. Okay, make sure you subscribe, Roundup family. I'll see you soon.